Are you not doing it professionally? What do you think about it? Transforming her. Now we good. This is homemade actually. So let's start with the hair. This is actually the first time that I'm doing this. I mean, I never made a Halloween makeup with Harley Quinn, and it's a premiere. I don't know why, but I'm always late with friends. Like I mean, for Halloween I did only one makeup, and now I wanted to make this makeup even if it's not Halloween anymore, but I don't care. So today I just woke up and I thought, why wouldn't I do this? So I just said I will do this today. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm sometimes thinking about my hair, and I'm just thinking like maybe I should change my hair color, but I still like this one, so I don't know what to do. Like, should I change it or not? I mean, I like this one, but sometimes I feel the need to change something because I get bored of it. But make sure to tell me in the comments what color do you think it would suit me. But from the blonde section, I wouldn't go brunette or things like this. Maybe in some months I will accept the challenge and dye my hair in another color, but just from blonde section. You know that song like dun 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 dun? I don't know where it's from, but I still like keep playing it in my mind, and I don't know why, and I don't know where I heard it because I don't remember to heard it today, but whatever. So now the brows. Sorry, I needed to wet it a little bit more. I feel like this fluffy brow strand really caught me. Like, not really never, I can't say that because I would lie if I say that, but I do this type of brows more frequently than other type of brows. So let's take this palette, this makeup palette. I think I will go with this one with the blue, and this one will be pink. I changed my mind. I will do this part with blue and that other part with pink. I look like a mad person already. Yes, I think so. Let's go. But where do we go? I'm sorry, I'm not a singer, but the fact is that I would love to be a singer, but I don't have any voice, so I'm just singing like for my boyfriend because he likes it. So I know this concept of Harley Quinn is already old, but I always wanted to do it, like transforming her. And I can't say why I never did this, because I can't say, because I don't even know. But if my mom would see me right now, and I know she will, because she will definitely watch this video. If not, I will be mad of her. She will just think that I'm making like a serious makeup, and after that she will call me and she will ask me, what happened with your makeup? Like, are you not doing it professionally? Let's make a heart here. You wanna make it? So we're done with that writing. I now wanna make some big lips. Well, hello new lips. I think we are okay right now. Now let's have the hair extensions. Actually never wore hair extensions, so I don't really know how to put them in the hair, but I hope I will figure it out.
2 hours later.
So this is the Harley Quinn makeup, guys. What do you think about it? It turned out good? It turned out bad? Tell me, or else I will come with help. Subscribe, guys, and I will post much more videos with this makeup. Bye!